Hi, welcome to The Divine Chef. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food that you and your family can enjoy. So today I'm going to share something that I saw in Guadalajara because we were there for a week and we did some house sitting there and some traveling, just looking around and seeing all the beautiful sights there. People were amazing, and one thing that did stand out to me was the vegan options they had there. So many vegan options, and they were all so far that we ate were delicious, okay? And on the way out, before we got on the plane, we stopped by at a juice bar, and this girl made like this orange mango juice that was so good. So I'm gonna try to mimic that today on the channel and see how well I do, okay? So here's what you'll need, okay? So you'll need at least 8 oranges. She used oranges like these. The oranges that she used were green oranges that they have out here in Mexico, but the only ones I can find was here in Costco, okay? So I couldn't find any of the green ones, so we're gonna work with what we have. And she also only used like a half a cup of mango. That's it. 2 simple ingredients, but it was delicious, okay? So we're gonna get started and get this going. So let me cut up the oranges and get them juiced. So to save some time real quick, I'm just gonna juice right inside the blender because all she did was took the juice and the mangoes, and here I have the mangoes. It's about 1.5 cup of mangoes, and these were frozen because that's all I had on hand because again, I just got back, but it's gonna work. We're gonna make it work, okay? All right, so we're gonna get the oranges now and we're gonna juice them, and I'm just gonna use my juicer hopper that I normally use for my Cuisinart juicer and just juice them in here. This way I can strain them and make sure there's no seeds in it before we put it inside of our blender, okay? So let's get them all juiced up. You know, I realize this is a really hard job. So every time I go down to the juice place and I ask the girls to juice for me and they do it by hand, I feel for them now. So I won't ask for a grande, I'll just ask for the small because this is a lot of work. But anyway, let's continue. You know what? I also realized that I had an electric juicer before in the States, and you can get them out here too where you just cut it in half and you don't have to do it by hand, guys. Just me, Rosa, being extra. Sorry. And this is what I have right now. Although Jimmy said go get a bigger one, I wasn't trying to pay for another one. But it's all good. We'll get this going. Look how much juice. That was just from 3 oranges. Man, that's a lot of juice. So I actually used 10 oranges instead, and it made 30 ounces, which is really cool, okay? So what we're gonna do right now is just strain it, and I'll just do it right over the blender as neat as possible. I'm only straining it so that I can get the seeds like that one out of there. Let me grab a spoon. There you go. And I'm gonna take that seed out because I'm saving seeds for my future garden. So it's okay to have this pulp right here in because it's all oranges. I'm really just straining it so that I can have the seeds removed. So that's cool. So I'm still gonna use that. Still gonna save that because that's still good nutrition. So next, we're gonna add our mangoes. So I'm gonna go with 1.5 cup of mango, so let's see. All right, so we let it blend up for 1 minute. Let's see how we did. It looks good. Looks just like hers, so hopefully we got something here. And it says on here it's 48 ounces, so let's see how much it can make. Oh wow, it looks so good. 1 cup. Wow. Oh, That's a few chunks of those mango, so I could have blended a little bit more, but that's okay. I'm good with that. And it still had 16 ounces left. Look at that. Wow. So that's good. So that should make 3 nice full cups. We're gonna see what it tastes like. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, that's delicious. Definitely give this recipe a try. Simple ingredients, really good for you. Oranges and mangoes, great health benefits in those guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to see more videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any recipes that I put up. So I am Rosa, and I will see you next time. Bye.